Detailed description of a modern 11MX9M family home. This well-planned single-story home offers a total built-up area of approximately 99 square meters, efficiently distributed to create a comfortable and functional living space for a small family. The 11 by 9 meter footprint is optimized to include all essential modern amenities within a compact and logical layout, exterior and overall layout. The house presents a clean, rectangular facade. The main entrance is strategically positioned, leading directly into the heart of the home. The design prioritizes natural light and functional zoning, separating private sleeping quarters from shared living areas. Room-by-room breakdown. 1 master bedroom primary suite. Location: typically positioned in a quieter corner of the house for privacy. Approximate dimensions: 5.0 me by 3.6 meters, 18 square meter. Features: a spacious room capable of accommodating a king-size bed, 2 bedside tables, a dresser, and a wardrobe. It features a large window for natural light. As the primary suite, it has direct or very convenient access to the main bathroom and likely includes a small private balcony or larger windows. Point 2. 2 secondary bedrooms. Location: along a hallway, separate from the master suite. Approximate dimensions: each 3.8 mats, 2.7 meters, 10.26 sq meters. Features: these are comfortably sized rooms, each suitable for a single or double bed, a study desk, and storage. Ideal for children, guests, or as a home office. Point 3. Open plan kitchen and dining area. Location: adjacent to the living room, forming the social core of the home. Approximate dimensions: combined cookie 5.5 meters, 3.0 meters, 16.5 sq meters. Kitchen features: an L-shaped or galley-style kitchen with modern upper and lower cabinets, a sink under a window, and space for a refrigerator, stove, and oven. The open design features a breakfast bar or peninsula that visually and physically connects to the dining space. Dining area features: space for a dining table that seats 6 people, situated between the kitchen and the living room, facilitating easy flow during meals and entertaining. Point 4. Living room. Location: centrally located, often connected to the balcony. Approximate dimensions: 4.5 meters, 3.5 meters, 15.75 sq meters. B features: the main gathering space, large enough for a standard 3-seater sofa, 2 armchairs, a coffee table, and a media unit/TV console. Large glass doors or windows provide access to and views of the balcony, extending the living space visually. Point 5. Main bathroom. Location: accessible from the hallway, serving the secondary bedrooms and guests. It may also be accessible directly from the master bedroom in some layouts. Approximate dimensions: 2.5 m or 2.0 meter, 5 sqm. Fixtures: contains a full suite, toilet, wash basin with vanity, and a shower cubicle or bathtub. Features practical, water-resistant finishes and adequate ventilation. Point 6. Laundry room/utility room. Location: often placed near the kitchen or bathroom for easy plumbing access. Approximate dimensions: 2.5 m, 2.0 meter, 3 sq mounds. Features: a dedicated practical space housing a washing machine, dryer, or space for one, shelves for detergents, and possibly a sink. It provides essential storage for household utilities. Point 7. Balcony. Location: accessible from the living room or master bedroom. Approximate dimensions: 2.5 meters, 1.2 meters, 3 sq meter. Features: an outdoor extension, offering space for a small bistro set, providing an area for fresh air, morning coffee, or evening relaxation. Circulation and notes. A central hallway efficiently connects all bedrooms and the bathroom to the living areas. The open-plan design of the kitchen, dining, and living room maximizes the sense of space and fosters family interaction. This layout represents a classic, efficient use of space for a modern 2-3 bedroom home, with clear separation between public living, kitchen, dining, and private bedroom zones.